Hello guys, I will show you how can we verify our smart contracts on Remix. Yeah, this is my smart contract. Yeah, in the first place, go to plugin site on the Remix. As you see here, plugin manager. There are lots of plugin in here, and search for the verify and click to Etherscan contract verification. I activate it, but yeah, like that, you will click activate button, and then this plugin will appear in here. In the first place, it will ask you to enter your Etherscan API key. After that, yeah, as you see in here, I entered my API key. After that, you will select your smart contracts or something like that. You don't need to enter because we deployed already in here. Remix keeps everything in memory. That's why enough contract address is enough for deployment. My contract address is, let me find contract. It was something like that. And then verify contract. Later on, you can go to your Etherscan or Inkibuy, and as you see in here, you will see green tick on here. It means your contract is verified. As you see in here, it's verified. That's all, guys. Your smart contracts was verified successfully. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. My name is Rasim. I'm a blockchain architect and trainer at Zero to Hero. See you in our next blockchain video. I will add every week at least one video about blockchain development, especially Solidity smart contract development. Please leave a comment, and to support me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.